The Angus Australia Board would like to express our appreciation to the many members who have taken the time to participate in an extensive consultation process that has been facilitated over the past 10 months. We value your feedback. The consultation process has highlighted the fortunate position that the breed finds itself in, with considerable passion, skill and experience existing within our membership. The Angus Australia Board acknowledges that there is great diversity in the breeding objectives and views amongst our breeders. The selection indexes, going from 4 to 10, will ensure that they cater for a wide range of breeding philosophies. The Angus Australia Board is pleased to endorse the implementation of these updated selection indexes in the TransTasman Angus Cattle Evaluation in late November. The Board also believes that the new selection indexes will play an important role among the many decision support tools that are available for Angus breeders in the coming years. They also continue to reinforce our commitment at Angus Australia to adopt the latest technologies. The Board and the team at Angus Australia encourage you to familiarise yourself with the new indexes and in particular review the information that is available in the Angus Education Centre. We encourage anyone with questions or feedback to get in touch with the team at Angus Australia. Thank you.